Here first, look at me. Is it your birthday? How old are you? Tell me how old you are. Here, take a picture of your cake. Here.
Oh, a hug. Big old hug. Oh, I love you. You okay?
Ouch.
Nessa, come here. How old are you?
8.
When's your birthday?
And February 10th on Wednesday.
And what's today?
Sunday the 14th of February.
Cool. You like your cake? Want to take a picture of it? Here. Look at your cake with it.
Mommy, there's 2 of them. It's scaring me.
What? What?
Push the red button.
Red button?
Push it.